They say life moves fast. And it does. But here's the truth they don't always tell you. Just because you've reached 50 doesn't mean you've reached your limit. It doesn't mean your dreams expire. It doesn't mean you're done. No, you're just getting started. Because now, you're armed with experience. You've seen joy and pain. You've weathered storms and walked through fires. You've been broken and rebuilt. You've lost, you've learned. And you've lived. That's not a setback, that's a foundation. You've spent decades giving to your family, to your work, to others. Now it's time to give something to yourself. The world might celebrate youth, but you hold something far more powerful. Wisdom. Patience. Strength earned over time. So start that project you've been dreaming about. Pick up that hobby you once put down. Start the business, write the book, climb the mountain, learn the language. Take the trip, mend the relationship, embrace your purpose. You are not too old. You are right on time. Harlan Sanders started KFC in his 60s. Grandma Moses began painting in her 70s. Nelson Mandela became president of South Africa at 75. And you? You have your own greatness waiting to be awakened. Your age isn't a limitation, it's your edge. It's your reason to go harder, dream bigger, love deeper, and live louder. Your story isn't over. Your passion isn't gone. Your light hasn't faded. You are alive, and that means you still have time to make it count. So don't look back with regret. Don't sit still and fade quietly. Stand up. Speak out. Move forward. Because your time isn't back then, your time is now. Hello, this is Janos. Giving you some motivational video for you to have a guide in your life. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will help my channel to grow. And also don't forget to share this to your friends who need a boost in their lives. And again, this is Janos. Thank for all the support. Janos. Signing out.